You're in your 30s, and maybe you're starting to feel the pressure. Your friends are buying houses, having kids, or starting businesses, and you're wondering, am I behind? Well, the truth is, your 30s are the most powerful decade to build wealth because you finally have enough experience, discipline, and income to create financial freedom. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to building wealth in your 30s, the same framework millionaires quietly follow to get rich without luck. So grab a notebook, because this might be the most valuable 10 minutes you'll spend this week. Step 1. Define what wealth means to you. Before we talk numbers, let's talk mindset. Wealth isn't just about having $1 million, it's about freedom. Freedom to do what you love, with who you love, when you want. So, in your 30s, start by asking, what does financial freedom look like for me? Is it retiring early, traveling the world, owning a home? Once you know your why, it becomes much easier to build the how. Write down your top 3 financial goals. This will be your personal roadmap. Step 2. Master your cash flow. Building wealth starts with controlling your income and expenses. You can't grow what you can't track. Here's the formula that the rich live by. Income investing equals expenses. Notice something. Most people spend first and invest what's left. The wealthy do the opposite. They invest first and spend what's left. Set up automatic transfers into your investment or savings accounts right after payday. Start with even 10%, then increase it every few months. If you want to level up, use tools like Mint, YNAB, or Monarch Money to track spending automatically. Remember, managing your cash flow is the foundation of financial independence. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Before investing, secure your base. Your 30s can be unpredictable. Job changes, family, medical expenses. So, create a 3 to 6 month emergency fund in a high-yield savings account like Ally, Safi, or Marcus. This keeps you from going into debt when life happens, because financial freedom isn't just about earning more, it's about protecting what you have. Step 4. Eliminate bad debt. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt builds assets, like a business, property, or education. Bad debt buys liabilities, like luxury items or vacations you can't afford. List every debt you owe, then use one of these 2 strategies. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debts first for motivation. Debt avalanche. Pay off the highest interest rates first to save money. Whichever you choose, stay consistent. Every dollar of debt you eliminate is a dollar closer to freedom. Step 5. Invest wisely. This is where the magic happens. If you're in your 30s, time is still your greatest asset, and compound interest is your best friend. Start with these 3 pillars. Employer 401k, especially if there's a match. That's free money. Roth IRA or traditional IRA for tax-free or tax-deferred growth. Index funds or ETFs like VU, VTI, or SCHD for long-term returns. Don't try to time the market. Invest automatically every month. Even $300 a month can grow to over $500,000 by the time you retire. If you're ready to take it further, learn about real estate, side hustles, or dividend investing, but only after your foundation is solid. Step 6. Invest in yourself. Your most valuable asset isn't your house, your stocks, or your job, it's you. Learn new skills. Read financial books. Take online courses that improve your income potential. Remember, every skill you build increases your earning power for decades. People who invest in themselves often double or triple their income in their 30s, not because they work harder, but because they work smarter. Step 7. Build multiple income streams. Wealthy people rarely depend on one source of income. In your 30s, start building at least 2. Your main job or business, plus one side stream, freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, or rental income. The goal. Turn your income into assets that pay you even when you're not working. Because real wealth isn't about earning more, it's about earning without trading time for money. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's built through consistent, boring, smart decisions made every single month. So, start now. Even if you're not where you want to be, your 30s are the perfect decade to take control. Subscribe for more videos on investing, money mindset, and financial freedom, and comment below. What's one step you're taking to build wealth this year? Let's build wealth together, one smart decision at a time. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start building your wealth today.